Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a new VPN app that can help you enjoy a more stable and secure browsing experience. This VPN app is available on the Google Play Store and is very simple to set up. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if anything is unclear, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN we are using today, which is Fast VPN. This app can help you get a stronger and more reliable online connection. From the list of results, select the correct app by checking the name and the icon. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, install the VPN on your device. When the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the app. Before moving forward, I want to welcome both new and returning viewers. On this channel, we share apps and tutorials that help you improve your online browsing experience. Now let's open the app. Once you reach the home screen, you will need to apply a few simple settings so the app can work properly and help secure your connection. The first step is to tap the two small arrows at the top of the screen. From the options that appear, select Check Update. This updates the app's resources so you can get the best performance. Next, choose a server that works well in your location. Tap the server box and select a server of your choice. However, for this tutorial, I recommend leaving it on Auto Select Server so the app can automatically choose the best server for your area. After that, tap the network box to choose your country network name. In the search bar, type UDP because today's video focuses on UDP. If UDP does not work in your country, you can choose a different network from the list. From the available options, select All Country UDP, as it works in many locations. Once you've completed all the settings, the final step is to tap the Start button to create the connection. As you can see, the VPN has connected successfully. That's how you get a fast and secure internet connection using Fast VPN. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.